Hello my friends. Ghost Path Riot Full Party. The name says it all, because this light eMTB is all about maximum riding fun and the coolest trail party. Ghost, a brand under the umbrella of the Axel Group, to which eBike also belongs, will also be using the Fazua Ride 60 motor in the future and will be showing an e-mountain bike with 140mm of travel at the rear and up to 160mm at the front. Wants to score in both the all-mountain and enduro sector, and in the LTD version, 150/140mm spring travel, weighs a slim 17.5 kilos. We have all the information about the new Ghost Path Riot. Ghost Path Riot Full Party. It's time to party. Engine: Fazua Ride 60 battery capacity, 430 Wh suspension travel V per hour, 160/140mm weight, 19.9 kilograms. Price, RRP, €8,500.2. The Ghost Path Riot also comes in super fit geometry. Ghost Path Riot Ltd MY23 engine, Fazua Ride 60 battery capacity, 430 Wh suspension travel V per hour, 150/140mm weight, 17.5 kilograms. Price, RRP, €10,000. Ghost Path Riot Full Party MY23 engine, Fazua Ride 60 battery capacity, 430 Wh suspension travel V per hour, 160/140mm weight, 19.9 kilograms. Price, RRP, €8,500. Ghost Path Riot Advanced MY23 engine, Fazua Ride 60 battery capacity, 430 Wh suspension travel V per hour, 160/140mm weight, NA price, RRP, €7,000. Ghost Path Riot Ltd top model with 150/140mm travel and a weight of only 17.5 kilograms. Engine: Fazua Ride 60 battery capacity, 430 Wh. For the cockpit, Ghost relies on the Sintus Vector carbon handlebar with a 35mm rise. Braking is done with snappy Formula Cura 4, like Ghost has done for a while. A Fox 36 factory is responsible for comfort and traction at the front of the Ghost Path Riot Ltd. Lightweight DT Swiss XCM 1200 carbon wheels are used to get the most out of the weight. Weight is also taken into account when it comes to the handles. That's why extremely light grips from EC are used here. Everything for a light weight. The 3D printed saddle looks wild but fits really well. Ghost Path Riot Full Party, an ideal light eMTB for having fun on the trail. Suspension travel: 160mm at the front and 140mm at the rear. Price: €8,500, RRP. Fox 38 factory fork with 160mm travel is installed on the Ghost Path Riot Full Party. For maximum performance, GRIP2 cartridge. A Fox Float X2 shock is used at the rear, which generates 140mm of travel at the rear. In addition to the frame, the chainstay protection has also been completely redesigned. Ghost don't compromise on tires. Stable carcasses, XO Plus at the front and DD Double Down at the rear, guarantee puncture protection and long driving pleasure. Matching the stable tires. Sintus wheels. Stable V30i and 29 inches are used here. An extremely strong detail. The Ghost Path Riot Full Party Series bike comes with tire inserts X Works. So no annoying fumbling after the purchase, but already in the store absolutely ready for shred. Endless braking power. The Cure Formula 4. Together with Rotor, Ghost was able to create their own design for the cranks. Saddle by Pro logo and seat post by 8 pins. At the Ghost Path Riot Full Party for €8,500 switches a Shimano XTR drivetrain. But the cassette comes from the XT family. A small fender was developed to keep dirt away from the traction link. The compact Fazua Ride 60 motor sits in the down tube. The Fazua ring control fits nicely into the overall picture but doesn't feel very high quality and durable. The LED hub is located on the top tube, which shows the charge status of the battery and has a USB-C port. The charging socket for the built-in battery is in front of the shock. Thanks for watching, and until another video, don't forget your support.